Okay, in last class we have discussed how to find out the dimension. So this is your dimensional chart. Now in your dimensional chart I have given you the dimension for the various quantities. Let us say for area. Area we know is length into breadth. Its dimension for length is L, breadth is L, so L into L will give me L square. So it has a dimension for L only, so M0 L square t to the power 0. This is the dimension for area. Similarly, there are various dimensions given. Okay? So whenever you get confused, you can refer to this chart for your dimensions. Yeah. Now these dimensions are your mechanical quantities. Similarly, so as your in this case, let us say power. Power we will discuss in another chapter. Work, energy and power. For now time being, you just consider power equals to work done by time. For the work, the dimension is ml square t to the power minus 2 divided by t. Therefore, I have the dimension ml square t to the power minus 3. Clear? Similarly, for stress, stress is force by area. The dimension for force is mlt to the power minus 2 divided by L square. If we simplify this one, we have ml to the power minus 1 t square. Clear? Now your angular velocity has the formula angle divided by time. Angle does not has any dimension, so we just write it as 1. Time has the dimension t. Therefore, we have t to the power minus 1. So the dimension for this one will be m0l t to the power minus 1. Angular velocity is a topic which we will discuss in the later chapter. So this is your chart for dimensions. Okay. Next we have the chart for power of 10. Suppose you write anything. Ten decameter. This D is for deca. We know deca means your 10 to the power 1. So we have 10 into 10 to the power 1 meter. Clear? Or more specifically, I can write x decameter. This means x into 10 to the power 1 meter. Clear? So similarly, you have 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 means hecto h. 10 to the power 3 is kilo k. 10 to the power 6 is mega capital M. 10 to the power 9 is giga capital G. 10 to the power 12 is teta capital T. 10 to the power 15 is peta capital P. 10 to the power 18 is exa capital E. 10 to the power minus 1 is deci small d. 10 to the power minus 2 is centi small c. 10 to the power minus 3 is milli small m. 10 to the power minus 6 is micro mu. 10 to the power minus 9 is nano small n. 10 to the power minus 12 is pico p. 10 to the power minus 15 is femto f. 10 to the power minus 18 is atto a. So that's it for today's class. This chart will be provided along with the video. For your homework, you can find the dimension for force, the dimension for work, the dimension for energy, and write down the value of 10 gigameter and 10 femtometer. So you can submit your notes in the WhatsApp.